Thanks for stopping by. This is my first tool review video, and I just thought it would be helpful to share my first impressions of an aftermarket 12-volt battery that fits the DeWalt 12-volt platform. So far, my first impressions is that the batteries came packaged well, and surprisingly both batteries comes fully charged. Both batteries do come with mounts that could be easily attached to your belt, or it could be mounted to the wall with the included hardware. The 12-volt 3 amp hour batteries are sold by APTOOLER as a twin pack. The part number is DCB120. I particularly purchased these batteries from my DeWalt 3/8 impact wrench, model number DCF902. This is the first time I'm powering up this tool since I purchased it. As you can see, I'm having a little bit of fun with it by attaching my 3/8 socket. The battery tightly attaches to the impact wrench, and there's no play whatsoever. In my opinion, no performance difference between this battery and an OEM battery. Recently, I purchased the impact wrench from Lowe's at a clearance price of $40. So thus far, I'm really happy that the aftermarket batteries are working, because I wasn't really too eager at spending $99+ for a 12-volt battery. As you can see here, I'm testing the charging capability with the OEM DeWalt charger. Both batteries fit in the charger pretty snug. I don't think there's going to be any issues with this. I'll be sure to share a follow-up video if I run into any issues with these batteries. Hopefully this has been informative thus far if you're on the fence about picking up an aftermarket DeWalt battery from APTOOLER. If you like this content, please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Thanks for watching.